Hi, I'm Scarlett, the creator of Wonder Curl. In this video, I will go over tips to care for your low porosity, fine hair. Low porosity hair is characterized as being the most hydrophobic, meaning it repels water, than the other hair porosities. Because of that, you'll notice that it takes your hair a long time to absorb moisture. You might feel like your hair feels dry, which makes you want to run for more moisturizing products. That's actually a no-no. Low porosity hair also gets product buildup easily. So you want a cleansing shampoo, such as our clarifying charcoal shampoo bar. Shampooing your hair not only will remove any products from your hair, but also will help your cuticles to open up. I like using the detoxifying clay cleanser as a conditioner because it's lubricating enough to detangle and condition your hair, but it won't seal the cuticle the same as a regular conditioner would. Remember, low porosity hair also will have a harder time absorbing products, so you don't want to seal your cuticles just yet. Because your hair is on the curly, coily side, moisturizing hair pudding is great for keeping your hair hydrated. A little goes a long way, and you want your hair to be sopping wet when you apply your products. Layer the Curl Control Styling Lotion for some curl clumpage and long-lasting definition. Dry your hair using a diffuser or hooded dryer. And for more smooth curls, I recommend using a hooded dryer. So follow these tips and your low porosity hair will feel soft and hydrated for days. And if you want to get the best product recommendation for your hair based on the 4 pillars of hair, then head over to wondercurl.com and take our free hair quiz. Thanks for watching.